Hello YouTubers, this is EMDSD14R with a very special video today. I'm showing my Jouef, I know I'm pronouncing the name wrong, Amtrak Turbo train. I got this set when I was about 9 or 10 years old, so had it for about 10 or 11 years. This is based off of this is the model of the first turbo trains that were introduced in America from France. I have the complete set here, as you guys can see. And there's the roof detail. This train's actually been amazing to me over the years. No problems out of it. All the details are great on it, considering how old it is. The only thing that's missing is one of the front buffers right here. That's all it's missing. Everything else is there. Here's the original boxes, by the way, and there are several of them. There's 4 of them actually. So yeah, and this train set does run. I am going to repower it though with either an Atlas motor or a Kato motor. I know there's another YouTuber that I seen their video. They have this exact train, but I only saw one of the end cars. I didn't see the entire train set, but I have the entire train set here. Yeah, this is the only turbo train in my collection. I've been trying to find the Roar Turbo train set in HO scale, but I only heard they were made in brass, and they're not even, like, they're hard to find and impossible practically. But all the correct details. And this set does run, so I'm going to run her for you now. This is the first time she's been on this layout since I rebuilt it with the Kato track. So let's see how she runs. So yep, that's her right there. Now hopefully in the future, when I get some more time and money, I'll be putting a new motor in her and hopefully putting sound and DCC in her. I do have a spare motor though, right here. This came out of a Mantua Jeep 20. It's a new motor. I thought this would be a good motor to put in there, but I don't know if it would be appropriate because of its weight. So that's you know, that might be a motor, but I'm thinking I'm just going to go with the Atlas or a Kato motor. Give you a zoom in on the train set. One final walk around. Yeah. And then top view. So hope you guys enjoy this cool video of this rare HO scale train. And I'll be seeing you. More videos to come soon, alright? Peace, y'all.